This is the Tru-Brix Advanced Brick System, brought to you by Brickworks. All Tru-Brix start as our high-quality Brickworks bricks and are cut down to size, guaranteeing that the finish and longevity isn't compromised. All excess brick waste from production is recycled and reused. Tru-Brix are precision profiled to fit into the Tru-Brix rail system. Built with varying looks in mind, the Tru-Brix rail system is designed for a consistent gauge between 86 and 91, depending on the look required for the build. Made with ZAM corrosion-resistant hot dip alloy, our rails come with a 50-year guarantee in up to C4 coastal corrosion areas. Tru-Brix can be installed onto virtually any wall construction, including lightweight metal stud walls, residential stud framing, masonry walls, concrete walls and more. When it comes to the ease of installation, Tru-Brix rails are shaped so that Tru-Brix facings snap right in. Tru-Brix can be installed on average 3 to 5 times faster than traditional brickwork. The Tru-Brix rail system allows for many different bond designs to be used, adaptable to most jobs. Once Tru-Brix are installed, Tru-Brix facing can be installed at any point on the frame, and multiple grout finishes are able to be achieved. The Tru-Brix rail system can be installed quickly and allows for brickwork to start from any position, not just from the bottom up. The use of the Tru-Brix system can add up to an extra 3 by 2 metres of additional space in an average 240 square metre home, subject to design and usage of Tru-Brix's system. Tru-Brix from Brickworks.